The next trend we're going to cover is called glass morphism, or frosted glass design elements. There's something really interesting about looking through an object, to see light reflected through it and seeing that slight distortion just like looking through a frosted window. It feels very new and fresh, and this design trend will soon be taking over. Back in 2020, I talked about how something called skeuomorphism was becoming a popular user interface design trend. As we studied last year, this is the art of making objects seem tactile and more realistic with added effects, shadows, and highlights. This can include buttons, borders, and icons. This evolved into neumorphism, which we saw popularized in 2020 with its more monochromatic color themes and almost a glossy, glassy appearance. Glass morphism is another evolution of this trend and takes it a few steps forward by adding transparency elements to objects. This creates a frosted glass effect that allows objects to be distorted behind the glass, giving objects a huge amount of depth in this space. What is really interesting about this trend is it allows background gradients and textures to be seen, even when blocked by design objects, buttons, and boxes. This can push background objects forward while still maintaining the visibility of important objects on top. This allows an almost 3D space in 2D designs. You can see this icon set uses frosted glass to allow the red circle to still be seen tucked away behind the top circle. This effect can work well in both dark and light modes, which is essential for any user interface style these days. So far, this trend has been seen with mobile app layouts and web design, as seen here in this project example. I think what makes it effective is by selecting just a few objects to be transparent. In this dark mode user interface, the background has a slight frosted glass effect. It makes sure the design maintains focus while still making everything readable and easy to use. This website landing page uses just a few small touches of the frosted glass to make this illustration feel more layered, but it never overwhelms the design. This example allows the vibrant textured background graphic to be seen through the design, but the frosted effect helps keep the text readable and visible. This is a hard effect to pull off in most software, as you have to add this frosted glass effect layer by layer manually. But Adobe XD has a feature where you can create live frosted glass-like effects. We're going to create an animated glass UI elements using this tool. It is surprisingly quick and easy to start using. I promise it'll just be a few minutes and frosted glass will suddenly appear on your screen. So I'll see you in Adobe XD.